What's going on, everyone? In this short video, I want to show you guys how simple it is to screen record on your MacBook with software that is already pre-installed. So stick around and let's jump into my computer. All right, guys. So now what you guys are going to want to do is go to QuickTime Player, which you could hit Command Spacebar and type in QuickTime. So from here, you can close this. So hit cancel down here. And then you're going to want to click File, Start New Recording, which will open up this little bar. So if you click on Options, you have some options here of where you want to save it to. So I like to save it to the desktop. And then if you want to set a timer, microphone, and a thumbnail. So when you're done, it'll save your thumbnail, which you'll see a thumbnail when we finish this on the desktop. And then I also like to show mouse clicks so you guys are able to see what I'm clicking. And I like to use remember last selection also. So you have the options of, you can record a selected portion where you can kind of crop out an area and everything else will be faded out in the back. Or what I like to do is record entire screen. And then from here, you just click record. So now, as you can see, we're recording. And if you guys click the button up here, the little stop, it'll stop your recording. And here's the thumbnail I was talking about. And that's it. That's how you screen record on a Mac. It's that simple. One thing though, you guys just have to make sure you guys have enough storage for when it does save. Well guys, it's that simple, screen recording on a Mac. If you got some value out of this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one.